Hey my apocalyptic babes, if you want to learn how I melt the lace out of this here Synthetica, y'all keep on watching because I'm pretty sure you will not be disappointed. I think I did a pretty good job.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to mom's.
If you want to learn how I got this makeup look, make sure that you click the link either up here, no, up here. I think it's over there, one of those sides. Just make sure you click on it and you'll see how I achieved this makeup look. And then also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell, and don't forget to give us a nice big thumbs up letting us know that you enjoyed this video. So let's just get into this here wig. As you saw, it's a Sheer Muse wig, the Michaela brand. I'll have it linked down below in the description bar, and I have it in like a teal blue color. It's really pretty. It gives me anime girlfriend vibes, gamer girl vibes. It's really cute. It's short. I believe it's at least 10 inches, I believe 10 to 12 inches, and it's really amazing. Like, look at that. And it's full, surprisingly. You would think a synthetic wig wouldn't be as full, but let's see. What are we doing right now?
Come on, speak to me kindly.
Oh yeah, she has about 4 clips or 3 clips inside of her with a little bit of parting, so you literally only have like a little bit of space to do your parting in. So it's basically a set parting. No, nothing too spectacular. You have adjustable straps in the back along with the clips, and it's really good. It's really tight. It's like it's just a little tight. But yeah, it's okay. So we're gonna pop that on and we're gonna see how that feels, and then do a little bit of adjusting.
Tiffany on my neck, it's a boo thing, not a new thing. You better get it right if you're talking to me. Must have had a mind smart enough to choose me. Your boys say it's fine, you're supposed to use me. You don't wanna f around hard enough to lose me. So whenever I'm around, would you please salute me? Hey.
Alright, so it's now time to do the main thing that really helps a Synthetica look a lot more natural. 1, cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible, and 2, baby hairs. Well, at least for me, it's some baby hairs. So we're just going to pull out that front hairline, and on both sides, of course, gotta have even baby hairs sometimes, and then we're just gonna pin them to the back, get the rest of the hair out of the way. Now we cut said baby hairs. You can cut them as long or as short as you want. It is your hair. You do what you please. I like to keep my baby hairs a little bit long, so if I want to just change up the hairstyle completely and just push them back into the hairline, it's completely fine. They're long enough and yet short enough to achieve any type of look I know I'll be able to achieve with this wig. So we're just gonna do some baby hairs. I believe I used mousse and some edge control. You can use whatever edge control you want, or you can use some got to be glued hairspray or the got to be glued gel, whichever you're comfortable with. So yeah, you're just gonna, I used this style of baby hairs in the beginning, but they didn't really work out the way that I wanted, so I did end up changing them in the end. So yeah, we're gonna take a little bobby pin and pin that back, but then again, I still didn't like it. Like, yeah, it helped, but it didn't do exactly what I was looking for. But as you can see, like, you just comb this out and the hair looks so good. The bob cut is really nice and clean. I do enjoy that. I also have the purple version of the exact same wig, same style and same cut and everything, but it's just like a lilac-y purpley color, and it's really pretty. But I'm just playing around with this hair right now, seeing what kind of style I want to do. But I'm like, this is kind of like basic, and I'm like, okay, I need to try something different because I'm always wearing this hair like this. So let's see what I can come up with. I hope it's something cute. But like you can see, it's so cute. I think I'm about to cut some layers into this. Yeah, I think I am about to cut a little bit of front layers for it to frame my face a little bit better. Yes, I'm using little kid scissors. Please do not judge me. It gets the job done. But I'm just gonna try to cut these front hairs to make them frame my face a little bit better. And yeah. Yeah, none of these looks are working out for me. So I'll be back. So as you can see, I decided to go with two cute little pigtails on top of my hair head. Yes, you can see the tracks on the side, which I really don't care about, but I do end up fixing, if I must say, just for you guys' comfort. So yeah, I do end up fixing this, but I really do enjoy how this came out. The bob still looks strong. The nice cut that I did in the front looks amazing. But we're going to figure out how to cover up these tracks, because spreading this hair apart like this is not helping, because they flop around. Obviously, it's hair, it's synthetic hair, and it's going to do whatever it wants. So I'm pretty sure we're just going to take the front bang here, take our little edge brush, comb it out, you know, and then we're just going to tuck it in the back of, or on the side of our head underneath the plait, if that makes sense. And we're just going to do that to both sides to help hide the tracks. So we're going to take a little bobby pin. I took a little rhinestone one. It has little crystals on it to make it really look cute. And we're just going to take that, like I said before, and just pin it underneath the little flap of the hair, but on top of the tracks, so where they're not exposed.
Loser! You're a loser! Are you feeling sorry for yourself? Well, you should be, because you are dirt! You make me sick!
Alright, now that horror show is over, let's move on to the other side. I'm basically just going to do the same thing like I did on the other side, and hopefully I won't struggle as hard. As you can see, I also changed up the baby hairs. I actually took out less hairs this time. I pushed the rest of them back, and I just used the Got To Be Glued hairspray, and I used that along with a little bit of edge control, and then I tied the hair down and I let it sit for a couple of minutes without really worrying about it, and then I came back to the camera, and now you see the results. This time it was way easier with putting those hairs away. So Hank Hill doesn't have to scream at me again. I didn't really appreciate it. He hurt my feelings. But yeah, this is basically the finished look, guys. I really love this wig, the blue one and the purple one alike. Even though I haven't necessarily worn the purple one like I really want to, the lace is still on it. But I do love these wigs. They're really cute and simple, and you could really just pop them on. My only thing I didn't like about this wig is, as you can see, I'm pulling it down on my sides, is because I have more of a squared off hairline, and you can see like my little baby hairs at the front of my hairline, and that's one thing that I don't like. It's really hard to cover them up, or if the wind blows and you see like a little black patch of hair just sticking out, and that's the only thing that I have like bad to say about it. But I hope you guys like it. This is a profile, and yeah, I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me slay this hair, and I hope you guys would subscribe to the channel and become a part of the apocalyptic hippie family, become a survivor like myself. And I hope you would like this video and share it with your friends or family, and leave a comment down below. I enjoy to do comments. I enjoy to read you guys' comments and interact with you guys. It's one of my favorite pastimes. Also, in the photo in the beginning, you saw that I had a few jewels. I'm going to throw some of those in there as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see pictures of this look, you can follow me on Instagram and or Snapchat or Twitter or TikTok or wherever. I'm all over the place. I'll have all of my links down below in the description box, along with the link to this wig if you guys are interested in purchasing it. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys at the next video. Bye, my babies.